Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be walking beans. Walking beans is kind of a lost art since a lot of people used to do it years ago before there was chemicals, but now they just spray and they'll kill the weeds with the chemicals. But we're organic, so we cannot spray. But we do rotary hoe and row crop cultivate, but that does not get the weeds on the row like this one. See? That weed is on the row, it's growing with the soybeans. So the row crop cultivator will not plow out that soybean. So we just have to walk through the field and cut any weeds we see. Right now I'm taking 6 rows, so 1, 2, 3 on each side and 3 on the other side. And I have my hook, it's got that little curve thing and it's sharp right there. So I'll just grab the weed and pull back and hook it. Cuts it right off. Not the best job or most fun job in the world, but gotta be done, and it doesn't take too long. It's not that hard. So yeah, let's just go walk some beans. And every once in a while, you'll get a random corn plant. That's a good corn plant, but we don't want it in the soybean field.
Hi, Mom.
This time I'm taking 8 rows instead of 6, just to get it done, because right there, over there, is the edge of the field, and this is the last field we gotta walk this year. Then we will be done. Yay, we're done! We missed the pigweed, we're not done. Now we're done. Okay guys, so today we're going to be tearing down that last single ring and the rest of the bin floors on the old 18-foot bins. We moved the top 4 rings last year and put 4 new rings on the bottom. Those are our 18-foot bins. Now we left the 1 ring on the bottom and we left the floor. So now we gotta tear that all out and then we'll just scrap that. So let's go.
That might be the thing to do. I can take the scrap out. Okay. And then we can put the door, maybe put the door. Well, I think he said maybe MOFC might be.
Now it's okay. Step off where you can.
Little piece in there. But it still leaks, so eventually it rusted too.
Looks like a junkyard out here.
Just can't let it go. We have to move it out a little ways, and I think we can get it. You got to lift though. Okay, there we are. Nick, okay, let it down, Peter. Let Peter move. And I'm gonna set it where Peter is. Turn it over. Now, here we can pop this one out. I bet you can do it. My head is light now.
Mine's been light all day.
Move it back and forth. Okay. And just lay it down right there. Lay it down. Okay.
Okay guys, so the other day we got that bin all taken down except for the concrete part. We're just going to leave the concrete blocks. Well, the blocks we're going to leave, and then we'll get those scooped up and tossed onto the rock pile, but then the concrete pad will just leave. But now we're going to take all the metal, like all the rings and everything we got off that bin, we're going to take it and we're going to load it up, and Dad's going to take it to the scrap yard just so we can make a little bit of money, because otherwise what else are we going to do with it? I mean, that's the only thing we can do with it is scrap it. So I think we have some other scrap that we have to take. So I don't know if I'll go over with him, but I'll at least get recording the part of loading it.
He got here so quick.